Thank you, God, for bringing me to September. On this first day, I say, I surrender. My life is not my own. I surrender all to you. Do with me, dear Lord, as you want to. Whatever you command, I will say yes, I won't say no. Wherever you send me, I will go. If you say stand and speak, I won't sit and hide. Help me to represent you inside and outside. Make me and mold me into a man that you can trust anywhere. Give me boldness in the world. You know what it's like out there. Purity, righteousness, holiness. I want to follow this trend. Help me to stay on the pure path and not take a bend. I cannot live this Christian life without you. On you I depend. I don't want to be only a follower of Christ. I want to be your friend. This life that I live has no meaning without you. I surrender my will, my wish, and my way. I will do as you tell me to. I completely surrender. Take my life as a living sacrifice. Whenever you need a man, I want to be one of your guys. I raise my hands. I bow my knees. At the end of this month, may you be pleased. I raise my hands. I bow my knees. At the end of this month, may you be pleased.